नमस्कार, मैं हूं यास्मीन। सुशांत सिंह राजपूत और रिया चक्रवर्ती की बातचीत का आधे घंटे का ऑडियो हमारे हाथ लगा है। इस ऑडियो में हर उस सवाल का जवाब है जो आप जानना चाहते हैं। रिया चक्रवर्ती सुशांत के लिए क्या सोचती थी? सुशांत सिंह राजपूत अपने फ्यूचर को लेकर क्या सोचते थे? सुशांत सिंह राजपूत फिल्म क्यों छोड़ना चाहते थे? रिया से वो क्यों परेशान हो गए थे? रिया कैसे सुशांत के पाई पाई का हिसाब रखती थी? एक एक चीज इस ऑडियो में है। रिया चक्रवर्ती कैसे सुशांत को गुमराह करती थी, हमें ये भी पता चल गया। सुशांत ने एक बहुत अच्छी और महंगी प्रॉपर्टी देख रखी थी, लेकिन क्यों नहीं ले पाए? रिया अकेली नहीं थी, उनके साथ कई लोग थे जो सुशांत के खिलाफ साजिश कर रहे थे। हम आपको आधे घंटे में से केवल 10 मिनट का ऑडियो सुना रहे हैं ताकि आपको कोई भी कंफ्यूजन ना हो।
Here I'm fighting my mind, so
Yeah.
that's probably the worst case.
So the worst case
I can ever see.
which generally happens when we do worst case cases is having a private trust set up and to take care of the individual and ensure that all financial decisions are with a pool of people in terms of a trustees who actually decide.
Right.
And they have a parameter as you will guide us in that.
So how do we go
Isn't that
about
an
this?
extreme?
As I said, that's a worst case scenario,
I
right?
don't think we're there yet.
I think
He had this insistence yesterday.
trust.
So
Financial
I'll tell you.
stability.
So I've definitely wanted in a way that if, for example, tomorrow I'm not there or Shruti is not there or Miranda is not there and there are newer people who are just there. If someone gets his card, so firstly the first thing I told them is to start making everything in FDs.
Right.
Which is why they must have called you
Right,
frantically. I
right,
said, just
yeah.
put all his money in FDs. So in the card there should not be more than 10-15 lakhs at any given point. That's one thing. Second thing is that money that he has, so that we can get some interest from it, so he doesn't start eating into his savings in the best case possible that
Right.
you all can come up with.
Right.
And to safeguard his money in a way where only without his signature nothing can happen, like to break an FD.
But that too, anyway, it
Move from city to
was a smaller. Yeah, you have Kavli at that place.
either their place or
Something else that-
something like that.
Or like there's a thought that Goa maybe, but that suggested that be in Papna for some time, see that, then first see Goa. Give it like 1 or 2 months before we finally
Yeah.
decide that. But overall,
Yeah,
he
and on the
wants to
one hand,
feel
if you're having
safeguarded.
this conversation-
He's thinking of the future. Like he's worried about the future, and he wants that kind of safeguard.
Yeah.
That
I'm saying let's treat it as a something like a retirement thing.
I understand.
So how will I do it? I just want help.
yeah. Correct. So this is the first goal is this money. Like whatever money he has, invested in a way that he gets
Right.
some returns.
So that I know that this is the amount.
This
of
is the
money.
amount he's
That you
getting
can
every
earn.
month, then he can plan accordingly to give up this house.
I don't mind going to a green, secluded place like
Right.
Goa or
Right.
Pavna.
stay.
You were quite happy whenever
Yeah.
you've gone to Pavna, I
Pavna.
remember. So
Yeah.
we're there for days till I was like, what is going on?
So that's just.
Whatever is going to give you peace of mind.
So the attempt is now that in 1 or 2 days we go to Pavna and set him up there and see how he feels in a couple of days.
Okay.
Once he's certain after a month, I'm peaceful here. I want to be here mostly.
Decide if you should.
Then
pick
we
this
can
up.
start talking about getting rid of this house and speaking to the owner.
Yeah, we can have the plan of. I think. I hardly go out of my room.
Right.
Yeah.
No, that I'm
That's
sure
a-
we'll be able to work something.
Fair thing. But yeah, it's a long life. So if working again, it has to be a goal post that you have to achieve.
Yeah, so that's what
Yeah,
I'm saying.
yeah.
So I'll have my intellectual curiosity to take care
Right.
of that, but not in terms of any economic commitment.
Right.
Because this kind of frame of mind, like one day I feel something and the second day I feel something
Right.
else about work. So I cannot be wasting others' time at all.
Right.
So like that, if we could plan once, then
We'll figure something. We'll figure something.
Yeah.
We'll tell you. Just give us 2 days.
okay.
We are the best people.
Saviors.
Saviors.
For which
Have we
have to
taken
show-
any signing amounts from any
We've
brands?
taken signing amounts. From
So-
Titan we've taken from
renewal
Sony
के लिए
Lex,
ना?
yes.
That we need.
So he's feeling like he can't shoot those.
Titan or
Ads.
कौन
But
सा?
Titan
Sony
का
Lex
कुछ
उस
deliverable
दिन जो
नहीं है
मिलके
ना?
गए थे उनसे ले लिया
Titan
है.
has just taken an extension to use the same image, so I don't think we have any commitment to shoot anything.
No, it's an
We
extension
give
for 1 day
social
shoot.
media. Oh,
One
there
day
is
shoot.
there's 1 day.
There's 1 day
Correct,
shoot.
correct.
So they've been asking us for a date post 24th Jan. we've been postponing it in terms of send us creatives first, then we'll give you dates.
But you don't think even Monday will be able to?
I was telling him, telling him,
March
make hay while this month here is there. Whatever few endorsements, at least do it. Add more to the
But he
kitty.
should be able to do it.
But he should be able to do it. Exactly.
If he was
No,
able
it's
to
his
do it,
call
he would.
ultimately.
Good days.
इससे नहीं हो रहा है तो नहीं हो रहा है.
Yeah, one.
Yeah, so that
See, right now
that
he
steps
only
will
had his
take-
money open.
Yeah.
Few FDs have been made now, and some are in mutual funds, and some are still open.
It was badly managed
To be
earlier.
honest,
We just have to be
we are
managed
also
well.
not the highest I mean,
I know,
for
but I'm
example,
saying
I would not
for
put
someone like
money in
me,
as
who
many
when
FDs.
I know that it's just there, all I can suggest is
Yes,
people
every
sir
month.
and
The
immediately
interest is so
FD it.
low that we only put a
was
certain
trying to
amount
make
and
it
then we
safe.
did not.
Right.
Rather than
At
it
least
being
what's
open in a
happening.
card, which I don't know who the hell will have that card at any given point.
So we had
I
plans
thought
to
this
shift
is-
him from
But even
Kotak
on
Privy to
cards-
Kotak Wealth.
All
But
that,
they'll shift.
yeah.
They will manage the asset like an AMC
Yeah.
does, or a private or an ASK
Ask for chai
advisor.
coffee now.
I've told them.
Guys
Try
also
coming.
Kotak also will make money on
Yes,
will
yes.
take commission and all.
Everybody
that,
does.
right?
It's just a question of who will make lesser commission.
Yeah,
The people
but-
who charge a lakh a year and they're happy. Somebody who
But I
charges
wouldn't
0.05.
also want to give everything in one person's hands,
Right.
right? You just talk and diversify it as much as you can.
Sure.
I mean, I don't know if there's enough to even just buy a small, like, to invest in a small property. Still give the cards come in someone else's hands, right? Don't
Really
keep an
swipe limit.
open-ended
Yeah.
limit on cards.
No, anyway, I'm saying the card should never have more than 10 lakh rupees.
No, what she's talking about is different.
Even in a
Swipe.
Daily
single
swipe
swipe,
limit, yeah.
There is a
grand.
limit.
So there is a
per
limit.
swipe,
Yeah, so we have two cards here. One is a small card, one is the larger one. Larger one is his that has a 5 lakh limit, and the smaller one has a 50 grand limit.
I'm saying, what can we do to just ensure that I stop spending money that I
So
spend?
we have this list of expenses that you incur every month, right? Right from this house to employees to cars to everything. And currently, status of this corpus, assuming there's no further income, it's difficult or impossible rather to even sustain that kind of expenditure. So you need to cut down whichever can be cut down immediately and start saving money. So money
So this house, probably, but since it's a new lease license and he has a deposit, maybe we'll have to speak to the.
we can speak and get out of it.
We can
If
speak
the
and get
decision
out
is
of
to
it.
get out of it,
Hello.
we get out of it. Maybe we.
But I was just saying, for that call to happen, for the decision to happen, maybe in a month we can start talking to the owner.
Yeah, and I'm thinking in good faith we can even start helping him find another
Correct.
tenant because yes,
Yeah.
it's
Yeah.
happened to me also. I've been in a situation where you wanted to get out.
As soon as I get an idea about
So we can park this for Wednesday or Thursday.
Cool.
If it 14th would be a off kind of thing.
Yeah.
Sankrant thing.
Wednesday. For
Wednesday.
my birthday, for sure. 21st.
Wednesday, what time would it be?
I am okay. My Wednesday is open, so
If you want me around,
Fold you
you
as a
can
gift.
Done.
ठीक है.
evening.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How about
Security
that?
is a great
First, we'll
gift.
keep it
Yeah.
last meeting of
I
the
know.
day. That should be all right.
Wednesday around 7ish.
So my birthday
No,
gift
no,
will be a
Wednesday
great
is a
portfolio.
terrible
Oh,
that
sorry,
you
I don't
can-
have your birthday.
I
now.
was one of my plans is also mixes. I'm not
Gift
there.
is
So
the
maybe
portfolio
Thursday.
that.
Oh, this can be devised. I'll call the
ठीक है.
investor guy in fact now once I leave from here.
साथ में डिस्कस करके आ जाओ.
I'll tell them.
If we have, say, 10 rupees that has to go in this trust, and suppose you want to make an FD or a mutual fund of it, that still the trustees can
The trustees will
the
decide what is
trustees
best.
will decide.
will decide what is best to be
Yeah,
done.
which
with it.
has a better return rate and which less risky. And you can define all that. It can be a
whoever you-
simple or a huge document, as critical as complicated.
But
as
see, this is the
way.
worst case scenario.
Yeah. I personally
I
feel
also
that this-
personally feel like we can come to this conclusion after a month.
Yeah.
That's what I in fact told her, that give it 5-6 months here initially with Pavna. Because you have the place.
And we're paying rent and it's
And
not
then
that
you go to
expensive.
Goa and see
compared
if you
to what
want
we have
for a
here.
month.
Yeah.
Sir was saying that it's too expensive.
Which one?
The Pavna place, for Pavna standards, it may be expensive,
for
but
Pavna
for the
standards,
property,
it's
it is. And
It's
he
fine.
seems to be enjoying it. And
Yeah.
it's
So I
done
don't know
well.
the size of the property. We checked with some person who lives
Yeah.
there and owns a property. The area rate is 50-60 lakhs an acre.
Yeah.
So I don't know how big this
But
property
it's
is.
done, it's made well. There's like a river also close by, right? You have
Lake.
access to the
The
lake.
There's a Pavna dam or whatever.
You can give him an idea of how much money he can get every month from
Well,
returns.
ballpark, I give you a number of 5 lakhs a month.
You'll be able to get that.
Yeah,
Which is
that's a ballpark number. That's beyond that would be difficult.
On an investment of? I mean, what will be the return?
Well, we are taking just not even 9 to 12% per annum,
Okay.
and after taxes, you'll be left with 5 lakhs a month.
So
We could
about
have a higher rate of return when the risk increases. Yeah.
you are the boss.
no, because you can if that policy is mature, then we'll get that money.
Oh, no.
There's no insurance policy.
We got him a life insurance that is maturing.
We haven't seen that in the
there is
books.
no life
nothing in the
insurance.
books that we have seen.
He has health insurance.
I can let go of these fancy cars that I've bought.
Yeah, you can sell the Maserati.
You will
Hold
lose
on.
money. Yeah,
We
it's just
don't need
too
to make
quick.
such extreme decisions. Just relax. If there is enough of a corpus, we'll make it work. Let's
save a
sleep
few
and
lakhs,
put our
right?
heads together and diversify it as much and find you money that you need every month.
The
What
car
is
will
a
not
good
even
income?
fetch you
What is a
50.
good number for you? Is it 8 to 10 lakhs? Is it 7 lakhs? What is it? Tell us. We'll work backwards.